I am Kelly Schaffner. I am not crying. This is Allergy Eye right here. And welcome to my channel. I'm really glad that you have joined me today. It's a Stitch Fix day, and I'm so excited to open this box. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you enjoy clothing, you have come to the right place. I upload a video every other day all about clothing, so if that is your thing, please be certain, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. I don't want you to miss out on any of the fun. So a couple Stitch Fixes ago, my stylist notified me that she was going out on maternity leave. So she sent a fix that I received last week. I bought 2 items from that fix. I quickly sent 3 items back and ordered a fix right away, hoping that Angelica will be my stylist for this box. I want to break into this very quickly and see if she's still styled this or if I have a brand new stylist. So let's get right into it. This is what the box looks like, and I've got everything I need to know is printed right on the box. So Stitch Fix is very easy. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix, I will leave a link below and it will give you all the information about Stitch Fix. It will also hook you up with your first Stitch Fix for free. Your styling fee will be waived, and if you do it right now, they're running a promotion where you will get $25 credit on your first Stitch Fix, and they will extend $25 credit to me. So yay, if you want to try it, be my guest. So Stitch Fix gives us a return mailer, which hopefully I will not need. They also have an advertisement for Father's Day gift certificates. Gift certificates are gift cards for anyone, actually. And okay, here's my information. And I don't normally look at this in the very beginning, but let's see. Angelica, I see Angelica. So the stylist note usually tells me what is in this fix, and I normally read this last, but since it's open and I can see, I'll read it to you. It says, "Hi Kelly, happy fix day. I'm so happy to be styling you one last time before I go on maternity leave. I may or may not have shed a tear after watching you read my notice in your last video. That is definitely the hardest part of stepping away for a bit. I love my clients so much. I saw you were interested in some khaki shorts today and started with this cut pair. These are slightly different from your Dear John's shorts and are super comfy. Let me know what you think. Pair them with the Q&A top and sandals for a casual look for the spring and summer. The embroidery is such a pretty detail. The Free People top is comfy, casual, and great with shorts and sashy earrings for a boho-inspired look. Try it with your white shorts too. Have fun trying everything on. I'll be watching and can't wait to style you again in the fall. And enjoy. XOXO, Angelica." Thank you so much for watching my videos, Angelica. And thank you so much for styling me. You have been so wonderful to work with. So that was really a thoughtful note. So I have to start with the jewelry, because sometimes I get so excited about the clothing that I forget about the accessories, the shoes, and the jewelry. So let's start with this. And this is wrapped up tight. So we know it's earrings because she said so in the note. These are by Sashi. And oh, they are tassels. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Show you. Aren't those beautiful? They look like chandelier. Are those kind of, yeah, they're kind of a hammered gold. That is gold. I don't know if you can tell that on camera. And gold tassels. Oh, that would kind of, that would even match with this camo that I'm wearing right now. Very, very cool. Oh, look how shiny they are too. These are great. Thank you, Angelica. I like these. Nice. Okay, looks like, ooh, what's that? Green. That looks interesting. That's, okay, it looks about the same on both sides. Break into it. Okay, these must be the cut from the cloth shorts. These are cut from the cloth, Hannah drawstring linen short. In tan, they are a size 8. Are they long enough for me? I don't know. We've got a stretchy waistband there. But oh, they are stretchy, so that's promising because I have some hips. So these are linen, which Sounds like ironing to me, but I have an open mind on those. And next we have, what is this? What is this? Oh, I don't know. This is the Free People Swing It Cowl-neck Knit Top in Olive. Okay, this is interesting. Do we have a, no, it's a pretty rounded hem. I thought it looked asymmetrical. We've got that waffle knit. So this is going to be big and flowy, and a cowl neck. Okay, I'm not sure what to think about this. Feels like really nice quality. It's Free People, so it's going to be a little bit funky, I think, and I'm excited to try this on because I like unusual pieces. Next we have something in my favorite color. This is by Skies Are Blue, and this is the Sodrello bell sleeve top in red. This is a size medium. So first impressions are, I love the color. We've got about a 3/4 length sleeve, and it's got reds and almost a periwinkle blue or a purple in there. Little ruffle in the back. I'm not sure what to think about this. It looks like a smock-like top, and there is an elastic band, it looks like, in the back. Maybe not. Maybe it's just a gather. So, okay, that looks boho to me. Let's see. And then last we have, this is by Q&A, Eve's Embroidery Detail Cold Shoulder Top, and this is in off-white, although it looks very white to me. This looks really pretty. It looks very fresh. I like this embroidery detail. I don't have any of the cold shoulder tops that are cut like this. This isn't actually a sleeve. This is a ruffle that is added on. So that is elastic right there. It's basically a tank with a really big ruffle. I don't know. I don't know what to think about this. We have a keyhole back. It looks a little bit short. Might have to try this on with some high-waisted pants, but I think this might go really nice with the shorts if the shorts work. So let's try everything on. Next up is this outfit with the cut linen shorts and the Q&A cold shoulder top. And my first impressions are the shorts feel really comfortable, but I also think they're too small. I would prefer a larger size. I think they're also maybe a little bit too short. They have elastic waistband and a drawstring that actually works, so I could tighten them up, but they don't need to be tightened. And I think they're just a little bit too short for me, for my liking. My inclination is to continue just to pull them down. So this is what they look like. And they have these side pockets here, which is great, so I can just continue to pull them down, which turns my shirt into a belly shirt, which is a very short top anyway, but I like this top. So I haven't tried any cold shoulders like this. It's essentially just a ruffle sewn onto a tank, and there's some elastic right there. But the thing I like about this is I can wear a regular bra with it, and but it's still it feels good. But when I lift my arms, there's a belly shot, and like, I mean, is this practical if I was doing the wave? I mean, so that's an issue for me, because this is not an area that I want to show off. I do want to try this top on with some high-rise jeans. I don't have any high-rise shorts, but some high-rise jeans, and see if this is a piece that I would actually wear this summer, because I like this. Let me know what you think about this. Look at this embroidery. This is actual embroidery detail, and we have the hook and eye, or not hook and eye, we have a keyhole back, and this just feels really nice, and I'm kind of liking it. What do you think about this one? Okay, the style card on this one asked me to pair this blouse with some white jeans, or check out these shorts. Do those look like pom-poms? Those look like really amazing shorts that are probably way too short for a girl like me, but that's really a cute outfit. But so this is the top, and first off, I love the color. I like the way this feels on too. It's very lightweight. This is a cotton fabric. It feels like, I didn't read the tag, but it feels like a cotton fabric. And you know, I'm not sure about, how do you think it looks? This from the sides and everything. So it feels, it's a smock-like top with the bell sleeves there. And so, but this is what I keep doing. Do I pull it up or down? And does it, because the fabric here is cut. So fitting things in my bust can be difficult because I have the narrow shoulders and a larger bust. So I'm just not sure about the fit on this one, but I like it. I like it a lot. These are fun colors, and I do think it looks nice with the white jeans. Let me tell you, my white shorts, my white Dear John shorts, got a stain on them. I'm in distress. I am going to see. They also went through the dryer with that stain, and I have to see what I can do to get those repaired, or I will be requesting a new pair of white Dear John shorts. So I can't show those to you right now, but I think this top looks great with the white denim. So let me know what you think about this one. Here it is again. Real simple, but my favorite color. I like it. Okay. These are the Sashi earrings. Aren't they pretty? I really like these. And she asked me to pair them with this top, but let me show you this Sashi earrings. I'm guessing are expensive because they come with a little pouch behind them, and they're just beautifully packaged, which just looks expensive. So we'll see when we do the prices. You're probably looking at it right now. Hopefully it's in my price range because I think they're very pretty. And she asked me to pair the earrings with this top, and let me show you the style card on this top. So there's some different ideas on how to style this top, but what is missing from the style card is what to do about these gigantic armholes. So I really want to try on all the items at every single style box that I get, so you can get a good look at what the pieces look like. Now, this has got me way out of my comfort zone. In putting this top on, I have gone through my drawers looking for something to make this look like something I would wear. So I did end up putting on a white sports bra, which wouldn't look any different than a white cami, to be honest with you. It just would be a little bit cooler wearing the sports bra rather than the entire cami. And this is a heavyweight, it's a waffle knit fabric. So if you pair anything under this, if you're going to layer, it's going to be warm. And these armholes are too much. And it's still, to me, it looks like a bra is exposed underneath this top. And I put the white on because I wanted the contrasting color to match with the denims. I don't know. I don't know. I don't have an olive bralette or anything like that. Now, the unfortunate thing is I really like the neckline. I think it's very pretty. I like the movement on this. It's a nice length, and this is what it looks like. So, yeah, this one is, if I walked like this, I don't know, but still, look, you see it. It's like, this is a little bit too much for me. I had to get out of that top. So you have seen the prices. I'm going to look at them, and you know, this fix was pretty good. It was okay. There was nothing in here that I can not live without. The earrings are pretty special. The earrings are the first thing. They're the Sashi Alaya tassel earrings in gray. They're $42. I'm really happy about that price tag because the packaging on these earrings is very, very well done. I would have expected them to be much more expensive. And, you know, look, like it matches perfect with this camo tee and kind of just jazzes up an old t-shirt. So I think the earrings will be mine. They really look like a Kelly earring. Next we have the Q&A Eve's Embroidery Detail Cold Shoulder Top in off-white. This is $58. This is my favorite top in this fix, and I still need to try it on with a higher rise bottom, and because I like it. This is a lightweight cotton blend top, so I can't wait to hear what you think about this top because I am leaning towards keeping this top if it works with a higher rise pant. And next we have the cut from the cloth Hannah drawstring linen shorts in tan, size 8. These are $58, and sadly they have to go back. They did feel really nice, and I'm afraid that just because they felt nice, I might purchase them, and I don't like the way they look on me at all. The skies are blue. Cedrello bell sleeve top in red is $58. Again, I'm not real crazy about it. I do like it. Feels nice. Might be a little bit heavy for my climate in the summer. Love the color. I'm torn on that one. And then the last thing, which I will not be keeping, no one can talk me into keeping this. This is the Free People Swing It Cowl knit top in olive. This is $48. You know, that's a really good price tag for Free People. That's actually surprising to me. I would have expected this to be, you know, $60, $70. Unfortunately, yeah, it's not my thing. That price tag doesn't even entice me to try to find a way to style this. I'm uncomfortable wearing this, and I would never reach for it. So the total of this box is $264. The buy all discount is minus $66, which would bring the subtotal to $198. So this is a pretty good priced box, but I'm not keeping everything. In fact, I think I'll keep the earrings. And let me know what you think about the white off the shoulder top and the red smock top, because those are the only contenders in this box beside the earrings. So it was a lot of fun unboxing this Stitch Fix. I anxiously await my new stylist. I can't wait to see what she has in store for me. I will miss Angelica. It has been really nice working with a stylist that really tries to get to know you and send pieces that you will enjoy. And truthfully, I tell her, send me unique, send me interesting, because I have the basics. I just want to add fun, interesting pieces to my wardrobe. So she has really delivered on that, but I have high hopes for my next stylist. Ladies, thank you all for joining me for another unboxing. Please give this video a thumbs up and look for my next video coming out in just 2 days. It's going to be all about clothing. I can't wait to see you again. Until then, blessings to you.